rightful good morning. Today, one famous personality is sitting in front of me. He is a very famous actor. Now, let's come to my point. Sir, you are a very famous actor and you have made many movies. But why do you not make comedy movies?
Actually, I want to make only adventurous and romantic movie which I really like and which I feel and to entertain people because I know that people get attracted towards romantic movies and adventurous movie and fighting movie. So I have experienced and I have got lots of experience in this field to make movie in the romantic, to make movie in the comedy, to make movie this type of. So this is the reason, and many actors are there. They are good than me in the field of comedy, so they are doing well and they are polishing in their activities. So I think I will not be suitable in the field of comedy thing.
But sir, do you not think that when you show stunt in movie, on that time, do you not fear unfortunately you become a fall prey to a diet? So what will you do?
Actually, many supporters are there with me and they support me when I do any type of stunt and when I started doing any adventurous things. So due to their supports, I am just able to do every type of stunt in front of camera and I don't feel any type of fear that time because many instruments are kept there, and so why with the help of that all activities I am able to do these all things in my task and in my movie. That is the reason my movie goes up and I get much and much things from the audience and appreciations.
Okay, sir. Sir, and you have very well knowledge. You know very well English, Punjabi language, Urdu language. So can you tell me what is the secret behind your knowledge?
Actually, if you are talking about that secret, so I would say that for learning any language there is a requirement of understanding, there is a requirement of practicing. But if I talk about the local language, like inside the India, there are much languages are spoken by the people, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, and these all languages. So these all are very easy to learn because whatever we listen, we start speaking, and whatever we are taught by our parents, so same thing we start just only speaking from our mouth. So these all language are very interesting if we really want to learn. And if I talk about the English, so it is very toughest language because if we are learning English, I am truly saying that if we are giving our time to learn English, but in this time we can learn different type of 5 and 6 language from our India. So that is the very big issue for learning the English. But it is also economically and globally language which is improving day by day and which is going beyond our capacity. So we should also appropriate and to learn and to command this language, otherwise we will be back and our children, future generation will speak fluently and we will have to shame in front of them.
Okay, sir, and you are ready.
Okay, hello, good morning everyone. Today a very special person, he is sitting in front of me, a very dashing and handsome Mr. Abhishek. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, I want to ask question that man in India especially cow cutting is going on. So don't you think that I want to know your opinion that if anybody, he and she, they kill to one deer, then there is a charge, he will be sent in the jail. So don't you think that if cow is cutting anywhere, so he should be jailed, he should be given the punishment and he should be taken charge?
No, according to me, he should not be given punishment. He should be given punishment, but he should not be a capital punishment sentenced to death. Because it is not a mistake of people or of any person. Because we are seeing everywhere many cows are wandering here and there, especially on railway tracks, on crowd place such as market. So it is a not mistake of parents, sorry, not mistake of person. But though the people who are cutting the cow, so he should be punished because there are many people, though the people who cut the cow without any, they do not think about the cow, and we as we know that cow is like our goddess, and we all worship our cow. But unfortunately, and sometimes it is not a mistake of people because sometimes cow go on the railway track and trains is coming, and on that time so cow can cut by train. So I don't think that capital punishment or sentence to death to any criminal but he should give punishment whereby he can amend their bad habit.
Okay, sir. As the plastic removing campaign is going on, especially in India, and so don't you think that people should segregate these all plastic from their home? Because when the garbage vehicle comes in front of their door, so they give the garbage to that person. So the person, he will have to segregate. So work is very different. There are much work for segregating, like plastic, tin, and many products and polythene. These bags are there. So individual person, individual home, they should segregate, and after segregating, they should give that garbage to vehicle van. So
Yeah, and I agree with you. You are saying that people should not throw garbage plastic outside. When people throw plastic outside, so there are many problems we can face. Which type of problem? Sometimes there are many things are included in plastic, such as bucket, mug, polythene bag. Polythene are also a part of plastic. So I saw many people throw polythene bag outside after using the goods. So sometimes many animals like cow, they eat, and after that they face many problems, and sometimes cow can die. So people should not throw plastic outside. People should use of plastic, and if we shall recycle plastic, so after burning this room, it will it will it will harm effect for our atmosphere. So we cannot burn. So according to me, we should bury the plastic inside the soil, so we can solve this problem.
should